Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be doing this video today because as you can already tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a review on a palette. Now, we're going to be doing the iconic collaboration between Jeffree Star and Morphe. We're going to be testing out the Artistry palette today. So I just recently got it. As you can see, the packaging is like super beautiful and of course I love it. Now, I don't know what y'all's opinion are, but I really do like Jeffree Star. I haven't tried a lot of his products though, so I'm really excited about this. I love Morphe though. I think they're amazing just because all of their items are so quality but so affordable at the same time. Now, this Artistry palette is on sale for $35 right now. I believe they just put it out in stores as well, but I'm not really too sure about it. Let's see if this is worth the money. Is it worth $35 or is it not? Is it the quality that everybody assumes and thinks it's going to be, or is it not? So we're about to find out right now. I'm super excited though. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up right now. And as you can tell, it's packaged really beautifully. It even comes in bubble wrap inside of the box. And what I really love about this packaging is that it's iridescent. Like, the label is iridescent and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, oh. Can we just take a moment? Because this is really freaking pretty. Now, I already have my face makeup done, as you can see, because I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes to try out this palette specifically and let you guys know if it's like really worth it or not, because I'm sure everybody assumes that it's going to be amazing quality since it's Morphe and Jeffree, which I'm sure it's going to be, but we'll see. We will see. So as soon as you open up the palette, you have this gigantic sized mirror, which I absolutely love. It's literally the size of my hand. That's pretty cool. You also have this beautiful, beautiful shade range. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up close and show you guys the shade range. Now obviously there's some pretty stunning colors in here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few swatches before I get started into it. Obviously, definitely need to swatch this one. It's so crazy beautiful and it looks so pigmented. And then this green also is eye-catching as well. And a lot of these pinks are so beautiful, and this silver is also eye-catching. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few swatches and show you guys. So this is that glittery gold shade called Millions. Now, this is what it looks like on my finger. The texture of it is really gritty. Obviously, there's glitter chunks in it, so that's why. Not a bad thing. It just looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my hand. This is this first swatch. Of course, the color is super beautiful, but I kind of expected it to like swatch more, you know what I mean? But I'm sure it's one of those colors that you have to build up. It's a really beautiful color, but it's definitely something that you have to build up. I'm gonna be trying out this silver shade called Custom Rims. The shade is like super beautiful. It's like very pigmented and just a complete silver. It's not like mixed with any other colors that I can tell. Hopefully you can see it well on camera. Next, I'm going to be dipping into that bright green shade called Nate, which is Jeffree's boyfriend. So let me go ahead and swatch that. Wow, so this color is very pigmented. It comes out just as pigmented as it looks like it will. So far, so good. Next, I'm gonna dip into the magenta color called Pink Fleet. That one is really eye-catching to me. Okay, this one is also super pigmented, very pinky. I'm also going to go into the shade Self-Made, and that one's like a bright pink. So let's see the comparison between that and Pink Fleet, because I thought Pink Fleet would be a lot more purple. So up against Pink Fleet definitely looks more purple, like it is kind of looking like it would. Now Self-Made is this very bright, hot berry pink, so definitely a very beautiful shade. I would swatch the entire palette for you, but it's literally 30 shades. So if you want another look at the palette, here it is against the swatches. So far, so good. Now I cannot wait to dip into it. I think I'm going to start off with a dark shade and then kind of transition it, blend it out, add some transition shades to it. I'm really excited. We're about to find out if Jeffree Star's palette is really worth it. And if it is, then congrats to him because he is freaking iconic. Go ahead and start off with the dark purpley shade in the color choices I have, and it's called, okay, I honestly don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm probably gonna butcher it, and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna be using the shade Mogul or Module. It's this shade right here. Okay, so I went ahead and packed that onto my brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that right into my crease. So it's a lot lighter of a shade than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a darker purple, like a plum kind of color. I mean, this color is absolutely stunning. It's just kind of not what I expected, but we're still gonna work with it. Okay, so my first impressions so far are that these shades are extremely pigmented. I mean, honestly, you really don't need that much. It really goes a long way, which I'm super impressed with, but I kind of expected that. So for a transition shade, I'm gonna be using a very light pink color, and it's called Back, which is the shade right here, second shade in the palette. And I'm gonna dip my brush into that and just place it right above the color that I already laid down, just to kind of blend everything out. So it's kind of like a very, very light bubblegum pink shade. I really have to pack it on there though because it really does not show up too well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dip back into the original shade we used, that purpley color. And I'm kind of going to blend upwards into the transition shade that we chose. And then just taking this brush and doing a little extra blending. Wow. Look at these shadows. They are so unbelievably pigmented. So far I'm in love. Okay, so far I give it a 10. 10 out of 10 so far. This is like really awesome. And not to mention that all of the shade names that he chose are really iconic names. Like, Welcome Back to My Channel is the first row of colors. Welcome back to my channel. That's Jeffree Star right there. So now I really want to take it to like a more berry colored level. So I'm going to be using the next shade, Calabasas, right here. And it's like a dark maroon kind of shade. Now so far the colors have been lighter than what they appear to be when you look at them. So I'm really hoping this is a dark berry as it seems it is. Just gonna dip that right in and kind of follow where the original color was, right into my crease just to really darken it up. Okay, this is really pretty. It's like a reddish maroon kind of berry color. It's looking really beautiful so far. I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush and blend it all out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quick. Now that I got my crease, I'm going to go in with the silver shade called Custom Rims, the one I swatched at the beginning of the video right here. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Wow, this is so stunning. It's honestly not even taking that much product to give it such a big, like, stunning glow, honestly. Props to Jeffree on this shade. This is so beautiful. Oh man, so beautiful. And now I'm gonna be taking a flat brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Hi Dude, which is a dark brown. So I'm gonna use that as an eyeliner to give it that smoky look, and honestly it's like super pigmented. I did not mean to put that much right there, but we're just gonna roll with it because it is very pigmented. I'm just going along my lash line with it. And now I'm gonna go back in with the silver shade and kind of fill in the bare spaces in my cut crease. Then taking Calabasas again, I'm just gonna kind of clean that up. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love this look. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna take Hi Dude with another blending brush, which is the dark brown shade. And I'm just gonna kind of add more to the outer corner right there, just to give it that smoky look and blend it upwards. Okay, honestly, wow, I did not expect this palette to be that good. Like, it is crazy stunning. The shades are so pigmented and so blendable. They are like, they have really shocked me. I can honestly say that they shocked me, and I love Jeffree Star. I love Jeffree Star and I love Morphe, and I know that both of their products are really great, but this is like beyond great. This is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my other eye really quickly. Alright, I'm back. So I went ahead and put lashes on both of my eyes. I literally love the way this eye look has come out. The lashes are like, I don't know, they're okay. I've never used these before, so they're like okay, but that's fine. The look still looks so beautiful. So now all we need to do is finish up the under eye. I'm gonna be taking a flat brush and I'm going to go into the color Pink Fleet, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna be dragging that right underneath my eye. Then after that, I'm gonna go into the shade Calabasas, which is the burgundy red color. And lastly, I'm gonna be taking Hi Dude, which is the dark brown, and also placing that right under my eye, just to really deepen it up. And taking the shade Custom Rims, which is the same silver shade that we placed all over our lid, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my inner corner and also on my brow bone, just to highlight that. Make it a little brighter. Okay, so that is it for the eye look. I am absolutely in love with it, especially my inner corner. Like, this silver shade like blew my mind. Honestly, it blew my mind. It's so creamy, it's so pigmented. I honestly like, this is worth more than $35. I mean, you get like 30 eyeshadow shades in here and they're all amazing. Now I can do another tutorial like this if you guys want to see another look with this specific palette, but to me, in my own opinion, this palette is amazing. Only $35 for 30 shades. The quality is out of this world. The look, the color scheme, everything is beautiful. Like, I haven't done a look this pigmented in so long. Like, I barely used any product. Normally you have to sit there and keep building and building and building, but like, not this palette. Also, on top of that, I had no fallout. Like, I already did my face makeup before I did my eyes. I had zero fallout throughout the entire process, so it didn't ruin my makeup or anything at all. Like, I don't know how they did it, but they did it. So congratulations to Jeffree Star and Morphe, because your palette is freaking awesome. I give this palette a 10 out of 10 and I highly recommend it to anybody. Even if you're on a budget, like, it is worth it. This will probably last you forever. And not only that, but you can get so many looks out of all of these colors. I'm shocked. So this definitely, like, I recommend it. And in honor of Jeffree Star, I'm gonna go ahead and use one of his liquid lipsticks as well, just to complete this look. So I have the mini nude collection, and it was the first item that I have ever used from Jeffree Star, and I've got to say, the quality is there. Like, you could eat a million meals, you could eat all throughout the day and the lipstick would still be there, not budged. So I really love it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Christmas Cookie, and this is from the Nude Volume 2 collection. So I couldn't have chosen a better nude color to pull this look off with, and it's so perfect. The perfect nude. My lips even feel moisturized after wearing it all day long, so I really love this formula. I really love this palette. I honestly don't know what else to say about it except to spend your money on it. Like, if you have the money to afford this palette, you should really invest in it, because you can do endless looks with it and the quality is just absolutely stunning. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and end the video here. You guys get the point. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me today. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, follow me on my other social media, which I will link on the screen. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And stay tuned, because I will be filming another new video really soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.